Hello everyone. Welcome to Guidify. In this video, I'll show you how to fix CS2 showing running on Steam but not launching. I've received several comments from viewers facing this problem. So let's try some fixes that may solve this issue. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Right-click Counter-Strike 2. Click Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait until the verification process finishes. Then try launching CS2 again. If the game still doesn't open, go back to Properties. Open the General tab. Check Launch Options. If you see anything there, delete it. Then close the window. Try launching CS2 again. If the problem continues, right-click Counter-Strike 2. Click Manage. Then click Browse Local Files. Keep this folder open. Now go back until you reach your Steam folder. Open the Steam folder. Then open User Data. Open the folder with your Steam account ID. Find the folder named 730. Delete the 730 folder. Don't worry. Steam will create this folder again automatically when you launch CS2. Now restart Steam. Then try opening the game again. If you are still facing the same problem, open Windows Search. Search Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card. Click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. After the update finishes, restart your computer. Then try launching CS2 again. If the issue is still not fixed, open Steam. Click Steam in the top left. Open Settings. Go to Downloads. Click Clear Download Cache. Keep in mind, clearing the download cache may sign you out of Steam. If that happens, sign in to your Steam account again. Then try launching CS2. If none of these fixes work, right-click Counter-Strike 2. Click Manage. Then click Uninstall. After removing the game, install CS2 again. If you still have this problem, leave a comment below. Tell me what happens when you try to launch CS2. I'll try my best to help you. I hope this guide helped you and fixed your problem. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.